Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Pastel colors have emerged as a timeless and versatile choice for infusing a modern interior with a sense of softness and sophistication. These gentle hues, inspired by the delicate shades found in nature, create a serene and inviting atmosphere that complements contemporary design aesthetics. The integration of pastel colors in modern interiors is a testament to the interplay between subtlety, elegance, and the pursuit of a harmonious living space. Imagine a modern living room adorned in a soft pastel palette. Muted shades of blush, mint, and lavender envelop the space, evoking a sense of tranquility. These colors become a backdrop that allows other design elements to shine, from sleek furniture to bold artwork, ensuring a balanced and visually pleasing composition. Contrastingly, envision a kitchen that combines pastel tones with clean lines. A pale blue backsplash adds a touch of serenity to a sleek and minimalist kitchen design. The juxtaposition of these gentle hues against modern materials like stainless steel and glass creates a sense of visual intrigue and depth. For those who appreciate a touch of whimsy, consider a pastel-themed bedroom. Subtle shades of peach, dusty rose, and light gray come together to create a dreamy and romantic ambience. These hues add warmth to the space without overwhelming it, ensuring a restful and inviting sleep environment. Picture a pastel-infused home office. Soft seafoam green walls paired with lightwood furniture create a workspace that's both invigorating and calming. The combination of pastel colors and natural materials contributes to a holistic and nurturing atmosphere, fostering focus and creativity. Incorporating pastel colors doesn't mean sacrificing contrast or drama. Visualize a dining room where a pastel pink accent wall is juxtaposed with dark wooden furniture and metallic accents. The result is a contemporary space that balances the subtlety of pastels with bold design elements, creating a harmonious contrast. Consider a pastel-themed bathroom. Soft aqua tiles create a spa-like sanctuary, making the room feel like an oasis of calm. The pastel color scheme elevates the bathing experience, transforming the mundane into a luxurious and refreshing escape. Texture plays a pivotal role in enhancing the impact of pastel colors. Imagine a living room with a pastel velvet sofa, inviting tactile interaction while adding a layer of sophistication. The interplay between color and texture contributes to a dynamic and multi-dimensional visual experience. Pastel colors also have the ability to make smaller spaces appear larger and more open. Visualize a narrow hallway painted in a soft pastel shade, instantly creating a sense of airiness. This design choice enhances the flow of light and visually expands the space, amplifying the modern aesthetic. Ultimately, pastel colors in a modern interior create a harmonious equilibrium between tranquility and contemporary design. From serene living rooms to vibrant kitchens, from cozy bedrooms to invigorating workspaces, these gentle hues redefine modern aesthetics by adding an element of subtlety and grace. The versatility of pastels ensures that they can be tailored to suit a variety of design preferences, offering a fresh and timeless approach to interior decor. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!